everybody and welcome back to the channel. We're on day number 8, so we're starting our second week of our advent calendar. So like I said, I didn't want these videos to be too long, so I'm literally just going to jump straight in each day. Oh, another little surprise. How lovely. And all the colours match with the little bags as well. Yay, I can say this one, no problem. Turquoise. Yes. Okay, so turquoise, obviously beautiful, beautiful turquoisey blue, which is really obvious. So I'm loving the variation though. I love that it's not just a solid skein. I love that it's got these beautiful variations to it. I think they're really pretty and going to work up so beautifully. So that is turquoise, and I shall pop it with the rest of my sausages. And then we'll just open the lovely stitch marker that's come on Turquoise Day. So obviously it is a turquoise coloured stitch marker, which is really pretty actually. I thought it was going to be quite heavy, but it's not at all. It's really nice. So that's a beautiful love heart stitch marker. Excellent. Day 8 done and dusted. I will see you again tomorrow. Bye for now.